Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Lincoln County in north-central Georgia, East and Pickens County in north-central Georgia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dawanega, Dawsonville, Nelson, Doherty, McKee, Juneau, Linville, Auraria, Lenswood High Inns, Amicalola Falls State Park, Camp Merrill, Fawcett Lake, Hollis Latham Reservoir, Mobley, Porter Springs, and Lake Tamarack. This includes the following streams and drainages: Amicalola Creek, Clay Creek, Jones Creek, Mill Creek, Pettit Creek, Edmondson Creek, Ocoee River, Little Amicalola Creek, Crooked Creek, Yellow Creek, Utah River, Walker Creek, Shoal Creek, King Creek, Coughlin's Creek, Little King Creek, Chesapeake River, Chattahoochee River, Rudin Creek, Ralston Branch, Camp Creek, Ward Creek, Bucktown Creek, Calhoun Creek, Poverty Creek, Formal Creek, Yahuwah Creek, Anderson Creek, Con Creek, Moose Creek, East Branch, Long Swamp Creek, Fisheroon Creek, Long Swamp Creek, Black Mill Creek, Carnegie,